What's up, guys? I'm here with Bailey Cruz. Is it Bailey Cruz?
Bailey Hanna.
Bailey Hanna.
Yeah,
what?
Instagram handle is Bailey Cruz.
Bailey Cruz is his Insta, that's right. Bailey Hanna. Hanna Racing and Design out here in Santa Ana. And as you can kind of see here, this is the, we'll call it the HRD. What, do you have a name for her? I mean, our Frontier, obviously. What's left of a Frontier.
Throughout the years, but not really.
We'll call it the HRD Frontier. It is gone through many renditions, motors, suspensions, etc. You want to kind of lay out what the most recent setup is, or where the most recent setup is going, and where it's come from?
Yeah, so just about a little over a year ago, we did the motor and then redid the engine cage, and that went really well, and it's been super solid. But one of the weak links was the lower cross members, the Nissan ones, the factory ones. So we're in the process of chopping those and rebuilding new ones. We're going with the swing set steering setup instead of the steering rack, because those are super weak link on these trucks. Kind of from there, we're gonna have to modify the bumper a little bit, and it's gonna be a little higher and tighter, a little more ground clearance, a little more approach angle, all that stuff. So that's really the big overhaul right now.
And what kind of motor is this here?
This is a LT1. It's a 95 Impala block with 93 Camaro heads. We did the heads and cam and bottom end rebuild and board polish, all that fun stuff.
Sweet. What do you think horsepower guesstimation might be on it?
Probably mid fives somewhere, or sorry, mid fours somewhere.
Gotcha.
In there. Yeah.
Cool. So fully caged out, obviously. And you built most of this. You said the cage was built by another shop.
Yeah, the cage was built with by Jay and Raquel over at Wide Open Customs, and then I kind of started fabbing myself and whatnot, and finished it up. Did the dash.
Gotcha. Dash looks great. I mean, it's a little dusty at the bottom.
Yeah, it's fresh from the race.
but that just means that it's been out racing, which is more than I can say on my truck.
Yeah, but all the detail work and tab this, tab that was all kind of done later on by me.
Yeah. In
the driveway.
And it's a 3-seater, which is super rad.
Yeah. So
you can give those give the extra lady a ride. And what do we got going out back here? Still a Leaf Springs truck, so class 2000, which is a kind of an open leaf spring class, if you will. Fuel cell.
32-gallon fuel safe fuel cell.
You said it's a Raptor rear axle?
Yeah, it's a 2011 Raptor rear end, 413 gears, CBR cooler, oil cooler, and dual CBR trans cooler. Ultimate batteries, all the fun stuff.
Sweet. Some serious shackles.
Yeah, that's the fourth set of shackles.
Fourth set of shackles that you've.
It's the little ones, then we did these ones, but an 1.25 inches. Then we did 1.5 inch chromoly, and then through that we went to 2-inch chromoly.
2-inch chromoly rear shackles. That's legit. Still running. Well, are these stock brakes for a Raptor?
They are stock brakes for Raptor. It's made them look cool.
Nice. And those been working out pretty good for you?
Yeah, they've been fine. I mean, I wish I had a little more brakes, but I'm running manual brakes, so that helps a little bit.
Yeah,
but,
yeah.
I'd love to do a brake kit. That's maybe next
one
year,
more thing. Yeah. It's not cheap.
Yeah. Eventually, I'd like to do a camber and all that stuff too.
Yeah. So usually, if you do that, then
if I do brakes, I'm just gonna wait.
Wait.
10-inch and
wait until you have all the other parts that those brakes will end up fitting on, right?
Yeah. So after the steering is all done, doing a 10-inch rear end will be the next big upgrade for sure on this thing.
Very cool. Well, sweet, man. I appreciate you showing off the truck. What kind of travel numbers do you get in the rear?
I think if I remember correctly, we're at like 18.5 in the rear.
Okay.
And then 18 in the front as well.
Gotcha. That's pretty sweet. And you're running a very similar kit to what's in my truck. You said, right?
Yeah. Little all the shock mounts are done by hand, so those things are a little different.
Yeah. All this stuff is
upper control arms.
Yep. Your stuff's been cut, plated, recut, plated, cut, plated over and over again. Yeah.
Little breaker.
So yeah, it's Bailey's truck. We'll call it the HRD Frontier.
Advertising expense.
Yeah. And yeah, appreciate you guys watching. check out all the other stuff that we got coming.